Hi everyone, I am here with my new tutorial again. It is on a product modeling and the product is, you can see, it is a simple Fevicol's bottle model. So let's start. So at first we will select this camera and light and hide it from here, and select this cube and press delete key for deleting. Then go to add mesh and select cylinder like this. Then press S for scaling like this and scale it like this. Now little much longer as like this and keep it upward here, and then press tab, then press 3 and select this face. Press I for extruding like this much. Press 1 for front view, then select move tool, then move it upward till here, I think, like this. Now add some divisions like this here and here, and press shift Z for wireframe and select this and press then scale it like this. Scale it, let means give it a curvy shape like this I had given here. Then press 3 again and select this face. Press E for extrude it as per you want like this. Then press 2 for edge selection. Press Alt and select it like this. Press Ctrl B for bevel. Bevel it this much. Yes, now press 3 again. Press I. Then press E. Extrude it and like this. Now again 2. Now select this hole, then press S like this. So for giving it a curvy look, I'm giving it like this. Now like this. Now add up some divisions into it. So for that, first of all, press 3 again and press I and give like this. Now like this, give it some divisions so that it will look nice. After we will while we will on its subdivisions like this. Add here also, add here. Press 3 again, select it, press I like this. Now it is all ready. Now one more important thing, press 1 for front view. Now add this line here and here. It will be helpful, so I am adding it. So now press tab again for objective mode, then press Ctrl 4. And if you press Ctrl 4, you will see that it has been smoothened up like this. Now from here, let's make it stew. Go to add mesh and cylinder like this. Then press S for scaling like this. Go to front view like this, then scale it here. Press S again like this. You can make it wide, short as per you want like this. Now keep it upwards, then let's press tab 3 again. Delete this face from here. Now press this also, press I, extruding it for extruding like this. Then press E like this, then again I, and last time E again, like this. Press 1. Now press Shift Z, then 1. I want to make it more like this, and press S, like this, and like this. Move it upward like this. Here. Now, as you can see, now add up some divisions here, add here, like this, so it will look nice. Now add some here. You can add divisions where it should be required, no need to add extra, like this. Here also, from here, from here, and here, like this, and here, like this. Now go to 1, press 1 means press 2, Shift Z. Now select this. No, press 3 actually. Select this. Press Shift and select this also. Select this also. Now press Alt E. Then click here, extrude face along normals. Then you can extrude it as per you want, like this. Shift Z for getting out of from wireframe. Now again, then select this hole and again press Alt E and extrude it this much. Yes, this much, it is right. Now add divisions again for because if we add subdivisions to it, it will not look bad, like this. Here also, and press 3. Like this. Now it is looking nice. Now press Tab, then press Ctrl 4 for smoothing it up, like this. So now you can keep at the place it should be, like this, like this. So modeling is done. Let's texture it. So for that, go here and go to shading mode. Now select this tube part and go here, assign new material to it and press Tab and just select this face. Press 3, select this whole face where you want to apply the texture, like this. Now in that, name this material as a label, like this. Now go to base color, image texture, like this. So it is covering this whole part. So getting rid of that, go to select and invert this and again take a new material, new, and assign it like this here, and go to your level part and open the texture you want. Now I have saved it here, level of Fevicol. So add it here. So you can see it is not looking that much good. So for maintaining this, go to UV editing like this. Then select your image from here. Now select, press Shift Z, then select this part, select this whole part. So as you can see, this whole part is here. So for rearranging it, just select this part and arrange as you want. So it will come over here like this, and scale it here. So you can see the changes are appearing here like this. So you can keep as much you want like this. It is looking nice. Now again go to layout. Now look, you have added up a texture of a Fevicol's level like this. Now select this tube and again go to here and assign new material and give it a color of a tube bottle, as you have seen like this. I think this would be the right color like this. So it is looking like a Fevicol tube actually, like this. To go to add plane into it, press S for extrude, extrude it, means scale it, sorry, like this, and keep it here. Give this plane a color, new base color. You can give it black color. Go to render view option like this. You can see on render file. Go here. Now you can take whatever base color you are wanting to add into it. So I'm taking it whole black. You can also add a background image into it, but I am making it a simple just for understanding like this. Now on your light, layer light like this. So you can find your light here and just adjust this light as per your choice where you want to keep this. Press Shift D for duplicating this light like this. Again Shift D. You can control this light from here also like this, and just give it a shine like this. Now press 0 from numpad like this, so camera will appear. Now press N. Now go to view and lock the camera view like this. Now move it little like this. Now one thing we need to do is go to this renders engine and keep it as cycles, so it will look nice in my way, and like this. Now press F12 for getting the rendered image like this. So as you can see, we have made this Fevicol's tube bottle like this. So I hope you like my tutorial, and also please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thanks a lot. Bye.